Hi tech enthusiasts, welcome back to Fast Cabling, where we explore cutting-edge solutions to real-world challenges. Today in this video, we're diving into the world of surveillance, specifically how to effectively monitor remote location in a large parking lot where running cables is difficult. And our mission, to keep a vigilant eye on point A, which is facing this way, and point B over the wall located 200 meters away. And also, without the luxury of existing network infrastructure. So we decide to use a PTZ camera and mount it up high in the air. Now, why a PTZ camera, you ask? The answer lies in its unparalleled versatility. First off, the PTZ's camera's ability to monitor locations as far as 200 meters away makes it an ideal candidate for our parking lot scenario. This isn't just about coverage, it's about maintaining high pixel density for clear, actionable surveillance footage. Now, PTZ cameras are the Swiss Army knives of the surveillance world, capable of covering vast areas with the ability to zoom in for detail, pan across scene for wide coverage, and tilt for the perfect angle. So this makes them ideal for remote site monitoring where every detail counts. But here's the challenge. Our control room and where we place the PTZ camera is separated by a distance of 250 meters. So traditional PoE solution will fall short here. But that's where our game changer comes into play, the long-range PoE switch. Now, a long-range PoE switch is designed to power devices like our PTZ camera over much longer distances than standard PoE can handle, transmitting both power and data over a single Ethernet cable up to 300 meters. So this is a massive leap over the usual 100 meters limitations. And the advantages? Firstly, simplicity. There's no need for complex wiring or additional power sources halfway through. Secondly, cost effectiveness. It eliminates the need for electrical work across the distance. And lastly, flexibility. It allows us to place the PTZ camera exactly where needed for optimal coverage and without being restricted by the power source locations. So now we're here in front of the demonstration board, and installing this setup is straightforward. We're going to mount our PTZ camera up high on a vantage point to overlook point A and point B, and then we're going to run a single Ethernet cable. This is a 300 meters Ethernet cable all the way from our long-range PoE switch in the control room directly to the camera, and just like that, we'll be powered and connected and ready to monitor our parking lot with precision and flexibility. So let's do the connection from the beginning. Here we have our 8-port long-range PoE switch, but keep in mind only port number 1 to 4 are the long-range PoE port. So I'm going to use the 300 meters Ethernet cable to plug in one of those ports. And then I'm going to connect the switch with the NVR so we can display video footage from our PTZ camera. Just like that. And it's able to provide up to 30 watts maximum output power for our connected device. Now here we have this 300 meters Ethernet cable coming over here. Now we can see a PoE extender here. The reason why we need this, because our long-range PoE technology requires the signal to send back, but the PTZ camera is just an ordinary camera. That's why we'll need this extender to send back the signal all the way to our long-range PoE switch. And here is the input port. Let's take it out. This is a special mounting tool, so we can mount it on the wall flexibly. And it's IP67 waterproof rated. We are going to close the cap, twist it. Make sure you use a wrench to fasten this up for waterproof feature. Now the output port is going to connect with the PTZ camera. So let me plug it in here. twist it and mount it back on the thin rail. As you can see, the PTZ camera is moving because it's receiving the power and the data that it needs. So now let's check out our monitor. Here we go. This is absolutely a live video, and next I'm going to show you what our PTZ camera can do. So the PTZ camera is great for monitoring a large area, especially in outdoor environment since it's waterproof and vandal-proof rated. Next, I'm going to show you how to use a PTZ control keyboard to control our PTZ camera. All you need to do is move the joystick around. If you want to go left, just tilt it on left, right, up, and down. And if you want to zoom in, all you need to do is twist it to zoom. I'm going to show you our 30 times optical zoom capability. Let's check it out. I'm going to zoom all the way to 30. It actually has a number on the right hand corner. And let's give it a little bit time to focus. So here we go. After we zoom in completely, you can even see the small numbers on the box. And we can also zoom it out by twist it around so you can see how far is this box from our camera. So all the way. And there you have it. A seamless solution to a complex problem, bringing advanced surveillance capability to remote corners of our parking lot with the help of the PTZ camera and our long-range PoE switch. So whether you're overseeing a parking lot, a vast warehouse, or any expansive property, this setup will ensure you're always in control, no matter the distance. Now, thank you very much for joining us. Before you go, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech insights. And I'll see you in the next video.